Now this is a part of being down on the farm that you might dread. It's pouring rain. I'm going in the greenhouse to put bricks to hold it down. Because tonight, you see, we're going to have wind. And here's my trusty helper. Well, he left. You see, I only had one piece of this, so I laid this down. There's a brick. There's a brick. Here's my trusty helper. Where are you? Come here. Everybody wants to see you. Hello. Tell them you help me. That's my telephone. Yeah. I don't have nothing, but I'll go get you something in a minute. He comes and helps me. And I think this is a sly, sneaky way to get in out of the rain. He's one of my brother-in-law's dogs. But you see, this will hold down the greenhouse. Now I have some more bricks, and I'll zip that door. And then you see we have this door. Yeah, you have one in the back and one in the front. I'm loving it. So I thought I would show you. I'm securing the greenhouse. And you see, we've had lots of rain and we've had wind, but not wind like they're telling us we're going to have. So I'm going to buy some more of these. And put down on both sides and across the doorway. But today, I stopped by the, and there's a pig. I stopped by the Lowe's, and I just grabbed these because our weatherman is saying, now I'm going to lock this door. This is the way you open the doors. You zip them. Close. There we go. The weatherman is saying we're going to get gale force winds. Well, just thought I would share that with you. All of this is a part of having my amazing container garden filled with my rosemary, sage, basil. Oh, and I'll have my own fresh garlic this year. So guys, have a blessed day. This is Linda the Old Bird, down on the farm, along with one of my trusty helpers. Have a good one. Bye-bye, everybody.